My name is Mark Shankle. I'm a research agronomist with Mississippi State University. We're here today at the Pontotoc Ridge Flatwoods Branch Experiment Station. It's about 7 miles south of Pontotoc on Highway 15. Today we're going to be talking about soybean. That it's a project funded by the Soybean Promotion Board, and one of the things that we want to do is look at potassium deficiency with this study. Potassium is right behind nitrogen as one of the major nutrients that can influence yield of soybean. With potassium, it helps with in stressful conditions like water stress by regulating the opening and closing of the stomata. It helps with stalk strength, which can help minimize lodging. It helps with disease and also seed quality. So we've got a study. This will be our third year looking in a rain-fed environment, looking at both private and public laboratories, looking in a lake group 3, and what we're seeing is that these laboratories are categorizing the levels of potassium in the soil the same. It's either low, medium, or high, yet so they both would say that potassium level in the soil was low, but their recommendations will vary in the amount that they suggest or recommend to correct that potassium level. So we want to determine which one is, where in that rate range is the best potassium level to apply based on yield and our net return. We're going to put the economics to it too. We're here at a trial location, and this is like the second phase of this research project. And what we're looking at here is a study looking at the latest and greatest soybean variety determined #1 on average to be the best yielding variety in the state of Mississippi, and that is Asgrove 5332. And we're comparing that variety to the Hutchinson variety that was developed, released from Virginia Tech in about 1987. And the reason we're comparing these two varieties is because these soil testing laboratories that provide or recommend the higher rate of fertilizer are basing their higher recommended rates on the basis that these newer varieties are mining more nutrients from the soil and producing a larger yield. So we wanted to compare these new varieties to that older traditional conventional bean side by side under the different fertility regimes, as well as the different recommendations from these different labs in a rain-fed environment and then in an irrigated environment. We had a lot of dry weather early in June. We were going to start managing our water around July the 4th, and then we received 8 inches of rainfall. So this is only our second irrigation. What we've come up with was an irrigation schedule about 1 inch of rainfall every 6 days, and if we get a 1/4 inch of rainfall, that sets us back about a day in our irrigation timing. Just like to thank the Soybean Promotion Board, and I hope we can benefit the growers of Mississippi and around the southeastern U.S. with this study that we're conducting. Thanks a lot.